Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Andrew Paul from IMGS Data Builders, and welcome to another 5-minute FME tip video. And today I'm going to talk about AI Assist, which is one of the new features within FME Forum. It was introduced in FME 2024. However, the version in 2025 has even more functionality than before. You may have already noticed it if you are working with these versions of FME. The AI Assist button is here on the ribbon at the top of FME Forum. However, if you don't see it, go to Utilities, FME Options, and just ensure that you have Enable AI Assist checked. Okay. And when you load the AI Assist function, you can see here we've got a chat window, and it acts like any other large language model. You can prompt it and send off any queries about your workspace, and it will query the FME website and return a response for you. I'm just going to open a workspace. And this workspace could be like any workspace you've maybe received from a colleague. It's been shared around your organization where there's no annotation and you've never seen it before and you don't really know what's happening within the workspace. So what you can actually do is you can actually ask the AI Assist to describe this workspace to me. And this will look at all of the transformers within this workspace and the inputs and the outputs. It won't actually load the data into the workspace, so your data is safe. It's not sending your data off to the FME website or anything. But what it is doing is it's looking at the metadata and the schema of the data. And what you can actually do is you can actually add this to your workspace description and hit OK, and that will save. Or you could even just add this in as like an additional annotation into your workspace, just describing what the workspace is doing. Okay. We can also take a look at individual, some of the individual transformers within the workspace. So if you click here, you will see we've now focused our context on one object, which is our tester here. And we can say, what is this tester filtering? And it will then give us a response on this individual transformer within the workspace. And we can see here it's telling us that the attribute call to arrival if the value is greater than 30 minutes. So we have our tester here. However, what we want to do is we want to actually test for criticality values. And we want to look for values of A, B, or C. So we can actually use AI to write a very, very quick little regex statement for us using the AI Assist within the expression editor. Okay. Of A, B, or C. And we can write this regex request then on the criticality value. Okay, it's done that for us. We'll hit OK, and our regex has been put into the tester. And now we just run this. It's now completed for us. And we can just inspect the data and we can see criticality of A, B, or C. And we can see that the call to arrival time is above 30 minutes. So it's filtered the data for us. So as you can see, the new AI Assist function is very, very useful in helping you understand your workspaces and also helping develop your workspaces maybe a little bit more efficiently. I hope that has been useful. Thank you very much for listening.